scripts that you can run. A lot of times after you exploit a machine, you usually get in as a web user, and these will kind of help you enumerate the machine and do a lot of the work for you to look for exploits that might be out there. The first one I'm going to talk about is with Security Sift put out, the Linux privilege checker. And so you can run this as a web user, and when you start running this, it does a lot of the work that you're going to do normally. It's doing a lot of the work that you normally do manually, looking through, let's see that. Grab the scroll bar here. Sorry, it dumps a lot of info for you here. It starts off talking about the Linux kernel, the host name, and then starts working through the network info. It shows you the mount results, fstab, different cron jobs, and who the ownerships are. Environment variables, the users, your current user. And then the nice thing is, towards the end of this script, after it shows you every file that's possibly writable, apparently. Sorry. It also enumerates every installed application and the versions, so you can look those up. I can't see the scroll bar from over here. And at the end of the script, it gives you some suggestions for different exploits that might work on this machine. The only problem is this script's a little dated, and so Ventura Labs came out with the Linux exploit suggester, which I have here. And running this, if you run it on default, it takes the output of uname -r and tells you the different exploits that might work on this machine. So this one's sort of up to date, so there's not a whole bunch. But you can also specify a kernel level, and it'll give you different exploits and the reference to the exploit database where the POC is going to be located. So that's it for the Linux ones. There's also the same kind of idea on a Windows machine. The Windows exploit suggester, same kind of idea. Someone else actually made it kind of based on the thing from Ventura Labs. This one is kind of nice because if you run an update with this, it gives you an Excel sheet of the most current known local exploits. Then if you are inside the machine, you just need to run a system info, which gives you all the different hotfixes, and you can copy and paste that into just a text file, and you feed that into the exploit suggester, and it takes a second to look through.
How many people think this demo is going entirely too well? This should not come as any surprise to you. Let's hear it again for our first time speaker.
And so the nice thing about this one is that it also references if there's a Metasploit module available currently, or if it's located in the exploit database. And so hopefully these tools can kind of help you do a lot of the manual work, because privilege escalation can just take forever, and these will kind of help you out. That's all I got. I know it's sweet.